Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about people movers in India for 2025, the Tata Magic 6-seater. If you've been searching for an affordable, efficient, and practical solution to shuttle family and friends around town or to run your small business errands, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through every angle, the design cues that set it apart, the clever packaging that maximizes cabin space, the engine and fuel efficiency figures, the safety features, the pricing details, and of course, how it stacks up against competitors. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the Magic 6-seater is the perfect van for your life or enterprise. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, what grabs your attention is how the Magic 6-seater looks like a modern reinterpretation of a classic people carrier. The front fascia wears a bold grille with the updated Tata badge prominently placed at center stage. Flanking the grille are trapezoidal headlamps that feature a simple halogen projector setup, but with clear lenses that help the entire face look fresh and purposeful rather than dated. The bumper below houses a pair of round fog lamps, finished in matte black surrounds, giving the van a slight rugged touch. Up top, the windshield is tall and upright, offering panoramic visibility, ideal for negotiating busy city streets or narrow lanes. Spin around to the side and you'll notice straight, clean belt lines running from the front windshield all the way to the tailgate. Those lines visually lengthen the Magic, emphasizing its generous cabin capacity. The sliding side door is action-packed in terms of utility, glided open and you see 3 individual seats on a raised floor, complete with simple fabric upholstery and 3-point seat belts for each passenger. Step back one more time and you'll find the rear bench that seats 3 more adults, albeit in a slightly tighter formation. All told, 6 occupants can ride comfortably, or you can fold down the rear bench to create a large cargo hold capable of swallowing bulky loads when you need to haul goods. Climb into the driver's seat and you're greeted by an infotainment cockpit that's both straightforward and surprisingly modern for its price point. The 7-inch touchscreen stereo sits at the top of the center stack, providing Bluetooth connectivity, USB and AUX inputs, and steering-mounted controls for safer operation on the go. Below the screen are 3 large rotary dials for the manual air conditioning system, along with toggle switches for defogging, hazard lights, and door unlock. The steering wheel itself is a 3-spoke unit with a thicker rim than before, trimmed in urethane but comfortable to grip even after hours of driving. Behind it, the instrument cluster blends an analog speedometer and tachometer with a small digital display that shows average fuel economy, outside temperature, trip meters, and instantaneous fuel consumption. Storage cubbies abound.